All right. Hey, everyone. Welcome to another episode of Trading Bitcoin. I am your host, Tone Vays, coming to you live from the United States. I am finally back in the United States. Man, it's been a while. Great trip, London, Portugal. I got to do a quick stream. Got a call at the top of the hour. Let's look at the markets. I'll do a stream tomorrow morning for Christmas. It's going to be great. I'm going to show you guys what I'm going to be doing tomorrow because the package has arrived. All right, let's go to screen share. Yeah, here it is. The boxes have arrived. I mean, they've been waiting for me. I haven't even picked them up yet, but I can't wait to open a couple of packs on a live stream tomorrow. Wait, where are the packs? This is my own Christmas gift. It's a Christmas gift to myself. Where are the box? Here they are. Boom, there's the box right here. This bad boy. This bad boy has arrived. I can't wait. I can't wait to break open a couple of packs tomorrow on my live stream for Christmas. Hopefully I will pull the Tone Vays card. There's a Tone Vays card. You see it right there in the corner. There's Adam Meister. So there are only 500 of these, I think. I think there's only 500 of them or 100 of them. There might be only 100 of them. I think it's one of 100. But then there's also like one special one. There's 100, and then there's one that is got like some crazy hologram on it. And there's only one of those in the entire series. So I think there's still like maybe 50 Tone Vays cards left. I gotta check if it's 1 over 100. I think it's 1 over 100. I think there's like one image here that has all the cards on it that it says how many of each card there are. But it's super cool. Oh, catalog? Is it catalog? Is it a catalog? No. There's an image. It's on Twitter. There's an image on Twitter. There I am right there. Can't wait. Can't wait to open these cards. I'm actually gotta I gotta go to like a storage facility. I gotta find my old basketball cards. So like and I gotta get the cases, like the card cases. I should like order new ones from Amazon. Thoughts on real estate versus stock market as an investment, as a general rule? I prefer stock market to real estate. Real estate, you can diversify into real estate after you've earned a bunch of money in the stock market, but I prefer stock market. Yeah, this is such a cool project. I absolutely love it. Okay, let's go to the charts. So on the charts, the monthly chart is looking pretty bearish still. That's a very bad sign. This is our Heikin-Ashi chart. And we only have a week left, and then we'll see how next year kicks off. Yeah, once the year is ending, everyone's going to be having those. How much did Bitcoin lose this year? Well, if we just go to the annual chart, I have to do regular charts, and we go to the 12-month chart, you can see how much Bitcoin lost this year. It's been a pretty bad year. It might be one of the worst years in Bitcoin history if you count, January 1st to December 31st. This candle so far is losing 63. Actually, I can just look at it here. Our current year is losing us 63%. 2018 lost 73%. And 2014 lost 56%. So this is the second worst year in Bitcoin history. But notice that this year is an MRI top year. So the MRI kind of predicted that this year was going to be a down year. I should have paid more attention to my own indicator and took it more seriously in the beginning of the year. But the double top for me was acting more bullish than bearish. But clearly the MRI knew what it was doing and it's calling for a 1 to 4 year correction. So this is year 1. Hopefully this is the only correcting year, and next year we start to rally. But if next year is a down year, if we close next year lower than this year, it will be for the first time in history there's 2 red annual candles in a row, and then the MRI is really going to be properly acting as 1 to 4 candles. We can have 4 bearish years in a row, which would be absolutely brutal. Has the ice age already started? How long could the coming ice age last? Maybe. I don't know. Maybe. Well, it'll start sooner, right? If we if the World Economic Forum achieves their goal of 0 carbon emission, then the ice age is going to start real soon. It might have started. I don't know. We don't know. Like, a lot of this stuff is hindsight, right? Like, has the bear market started? Well, we don't really know. But the most likely path for the world is more ice, not less ice. So I don't understand how. I don't really like fudging data that all the ice is melting is going to start to get real hard in about the next 5 to 10 years, because people are going to see through the bullshit. Yeah, go tell people in Europe, or by the way, I was in the UK the other day. It's freezing. Like, UK houses are not built for the winter at all. And yeah, go tell people in Germany that there's global warming now that they don't have enough energy, right? Go tell people in Ukraine that, hey, stop global warming. The planet's too hot. We know you don't have electricity. We know you don't have heat, but the planet's getting too hot. You need to cool the planet down. I'm going to go to Tokyo for the first time soon. How's Moscow? Someone's going to head over to Moscow. Let us know how it is. Let us know if they have food on the shelves. The Western media is the biggest propaganda machine in the world, so I have no idea what's going on in Moscow. And most people I know from Russia kind of got the hell out of there when they started, like, the military inscription. So I don't have a lot of friends out there right now. Like, everyone just left. So let us know how Moscow is. UK is getting a little more dangerous. You got to be careful there at night. Okay, weekly chart. The weekly chart still does not look good. We had a horrendous candle last week. We are working on a slight bullish candle this week, but we are flirting with these $16,000 lows. And if we get there again, it's going to end very, very badly. Allocation charts not changing. Bitcoin's been pretty boring, guys. Oh, I got a bunch of calls with my team, and it's very likely we're going to get unconfiscatable on sale tomorrow. And it's also somewhat likely we're going to move the dates by 1 day. 6 and 7 is Wednesday and Thursday. And I don't know, I feel better by having this event on Thursday and Friday. And then people could go back to their families on Saturday, or hang out and party in Vegas on Saturday. So I still got a decision to make. It's either going to be 6 and 7 or 7 and 8, but either way, it's right here. So if it's 7 and 8, then poker will be on the 6th. If it's 6 and 7, then poker will be on the 5th. But this is the plan for unconfiscatable. I already have some confirmations. Adam Back, Jimmy Song, they're coming back. Giacomo Zucco is coming back. Jack Mollers has agreed. So we're gonna move. So this is like all past speakers. This is our past speakers. Crypto Couple will be back. So this is going to be great. Hopefully, Max Kaiser will be back one day. Hopefully this day. Hopefully this time around. Jack Mollers will come back. It's going to be great. It's 1 year away, guys. There's Giacomo. David Silver. 1 year away. First 100 tickets will be $500. After that, price will rise. Sorry, inflation. Inflation is hurting us all. Go blame the government. Used to be a cheaper event. Oh, we got someone watching from Moscow. Daily chart. Daily chart is also boring. I'm going to just look at your live chat, guys. Just a quick stream. Seeing what's going on in the markets. I'm more curious about the traditional markets. I want to see how the year closes for the S&P. Hence the title of the video. GBTC, the premium is slightly rising. The discount is slightly decreasing, I should say, down to 46.5%. I still think this premium will eventually go to zero, but eventually is a long time. And we need a bull market. It's not going to go to zero in a bear market. We need a bull market. Oil is rising this week. That is interesting. What's on the news cycle for oil? Oh, wait, did the government release the numbers? Let me see. Let me see how much the junkie has siphoned off from the strategic oil reserve. Let us see how much they are siphoning off for emergencies only, of course. And oh, wow, 4 million barrels. 4 million barrels of oil. That is a lot. That's a big move. Look at that. From 1118 to 1125, they only siphoned off 1 million, 1.3 million. Then they only siphoned off 2 million. Then a whopping 5 million, and now another 4 million barrels. They really want this thing at zero by the time the next election rolls around. Man. So the US siphoned off 4 million barrels last week and 5 million barrels the week before. And the price, oh, but this is older data, right? So this data is a week old. So this siphoning off additional 4 million barrels came on a rise of oil right there. So oil is rising now. So let's see if they're still going to keep siphoning off oil from the US Strategic Oil Reserve. I mean, this is insane. Look at this chart. Look at this chart. Oil is still one of my more confident viewpoints. The price of oil is going way higher. It's going way higher. Again, this is the same thing as the GBTC premium. But in reverse. So the reason why GBTC premium started to decline is because all the people started created all these GBTC shares and no one wanted to buy them anymore. That was also the pressure for this was the pressure when Grayscale kept buying twice the average daily creation of Bitcoin because everyone was buying into the trust. And this is what's happening with the oil reserve, right? Eventually, but it's the opposite. So they're depleting the oil reserve, but eventually they have to start buying. It's like buying back into the trust. They're going to be buying to refill the oil reserve. And that's going to put pressure on the asset because you're buying into it. It's going to be like this. Same thing. People were buying into Bitcoin because of the high premium. and they helped drive up the price of Bitcoin. But then they stopped buying altogether because the premium was no longer there. And here we are in a bear market. This was major, like, outside of normal trend, like divergence. But the pressure from GBTC went away. And eventually, no one's there to buy Bitcoin, where before they were buying twice what was needed. Now it's the opposite. Gold is usually not interesting. S&P is rebounding this week. This is Christmas is falling on. I don't think it's trading today, actually, because today would be the day before Christmas. So it's probably, so markets should be closed. Today should be a holiday. Is today a holiday? No, markets are open. So is the holiday Monday? When do people get Christmas Day off? Let me see. I'm going to go on banking holidays. What are the banking holidays this year? Is Monday the day off? Bank holidays. But when is it observed? 26th. Okay. So Monday is the national holiday. Okay, so Monday is the day off. So it's observed 26th and it's observed January. Oh no, wait, hold on. But 26th is Sunday, isn't it? Oh no, 26th is Sunday. Okay, got it. Tomorrow's Christmas Eve. My bad. Right, tomorrow's Christmas Eve. So Monday is the Monday 26th, the day after Christmas would be the national holiday. Same thing with January. January 2nd will be the national holiday, which is great. You just get these extended weekends. It's what happens when you don't have a job and you don't make any money. You don't know when the holiday is. So I do have family I need to visit. Did you guys see my tweet from earlier? I really wish I got my hands on, this Christmas sweater. This would have been awesome. I would have been wearing it all through December if I got my hand. I didn't know this existed until like yesterday. Like last night, I was like scrolling through Twitter and I'm like, oh my God, this is the greatest thing ever. I would totally wear this. Yeah, so let's see how S&P does. I still think that the low in the S&P will hold. I'm not on the bandwagon that 1929 is going to happen next year or 2008. Not much correlation these days. I mean, the color of the candle matches. And I'm going to be looking at this hard next year. Oh yeah, tomorrow. Join me tomorrow. I'm going to do a quick stream tomorrow because tomorrow I'm going to get my hands on this box. It's my own Christmas present to myself. Because I'm looking for the tone-based card in this pack. I got to get the picture. They got to have that picture of all the cards. These are like some of the cards. They got Hayek, Mises. But there was also this poster. That's me right there, Bitcoin Warrior. Bitcoin Artist. That's World of Rusty. My occasional graphic designer. But I don't see the poster. Oh, that's cool. What is currency? They're really cool cards. I don't see the poster. Gotta go to their Twitter handle. I got 5 more minutes, guys. I got 5 minutes. Let's go to notifications. Hey, unconfiscatable retweeted. Yeah, oh, they probably my like tweets. Profile, likes. Yeah, I like them. Lots of tweets where people. Yeah, here they are. Bitcoin trading cards, BTC underscore cards. Yeah, here it is. Here it is. There it is. These are all the cards in the set, right? So right there, 1 of 100. There's only 100 of these. There's only 100 of me, 100 out of Meister, and 100 of these ones. Max, How Finney, and I'm not sure what that card is. So yeah, but this is what's in the box. This is what's in the packs. But there's not only 1 of 100, there's also 1 of 1. There's only I think several of these cards, there's only 1 of them, and the card costs like $100 to make the card. A single card, the 1 of 1. And everything else is like 1 out of 1,000. It's like, you know, trying to get the LeBron James rookie card in a basketball pack. I got a bunch of Kobe Bryant rookie cards. What are my thoughts on diet and nutrition? Have you not read my article? Yeah, but as well, I still have products and services. Stuff's still on sale. I lowered the price on options, and I lowered the price on the MRI. And I'm gonna make this free this week. Consensio, I'll make it free. I slowly make Tyler Jenks's work free. If you go to my blog, right, just the last time I wrote anything was in January 2020. Vays diet and nutrition plan for 2020. I haven't deviated much. I mean, I cheat too much and I drink way too much alcohol. But in general, this is still my food pyramid. The higher up you go, the more likely I am to eat it. So this is basically what I eat. It's a little unfair that meat is number 6 because this is the majority of what I eat. But yeah, this is what I eat. I eat a lot of cheese too. I need to stop. So once we go in the red, I don't touch this stuff other than like garlic and ginger. But yeah, if you want to know my views on diet, it's right here. It's in this article. Even like pictures of daily meals for a week. Man, I miss these steaks. See, that's the perfect way to serve me a steak, right? It's got avocado and garlic. The only thing is that should be horseradish. And that would be the perfect plate. Steak, some salt, horseradish. Yeah, sure, if I eat double the amount. All right, guys, I need to jump on a call. Thank you all so much for watching. Please keep an eye on the Unconfiscatable website, as there will only be about 400 tickets up for sale. And that's it. And until we, sell out this conference in full, we're not going to increase the capacity. So maybe next year, maybe the year after next year, maybe for 2024. The event will be right before the halving, so that'll be fun. But the event's been moved to December. Those Bitcoin trading cards are cringe. Why are they cringe? I love them. I can't wait to open them in person tomorrow. I'm not even gonna wait till Christmas Day. Maybe I'll do it Christmas Day. We'll see. Either tomorrow or Christmas Day. We'll see. Maybe I'll do a stream Christmas Day. Open presents. Yeah, I may not do it tomorrow, actually. Tomorrow's Christmas Eve. So I'll probably do it on Christmas Day. I try to buy all my meat pasture raised, especially eggs. I'm so big on pasture raised eggs. All right, guys. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you all on the next one.